Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 2 hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And we're on ephemera 11 and 12. And our prompts for this week is sitting and standing. So I've got this one where these cute this bunny and a little boy with a bunny suit is sitting. And then I've got the one with this little girl holding a bunny is standing. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Amy's channel. I'll have it listed in my description box down below. And be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 2 to see what everyone else has made. So I hope y'all are having a great day. Without further ado, let's get started. I have 4 cards cut from this craft stock scrapbook paper that I have. And I love this paper. I think it's so pretty. And I'm just going around the edges of the plain side with the Victorian Velvet Distress Oxide. And now I'm just going to spray it with the water so that it can get that oxidized look. And I'm going to dry it with my heat gun. I'm not sure if the camera shows it, but it gave it a very pretty, subtle look. Now I'm going to go around the very edges with Vintage Photo. And I'm going to do this with all 4 of my cards. And now go around the edges of the top part of the card with a Vintage Photo. Now I want to decide how I want my little cards to go, and I'm going to connect them together with washi tape. Now it's time to decorate. I decide to round my corners of my cards on the outside where the washi tape is not. And I decorate with the pictures that I showed before, plus a few other items that I came across. Well, here they are, and I think they turned out so cute. They're just little opening up journaling spots. You can write here or here, and I just think they are adorable and a very cute little spring item. And I hope you like it as well. I just love how it turned out. And be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge too. And I hope y'all have a great and wonderful week. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. I hope you like these as much as I do. And until next time, bye y'all.